Welcome to Printer Tales. Having trouble doing your HP DeskJet 2734e Wi-Fi setup? Let's do it together. In order to do so, step 1. Turn on your DeskJet printer. Step 2. Press the cancel and wireless buttons together for 3 seconds. Step 3. Check if the power light starts to blink. Step 4. Once the power light remains on, the wireless light will start blinking. The blinking wireless light indicates that your printer has entered Wi-Fi setup mode. Now we need to connect with the Wi-Fi. Step 5. Open your App Store or Play Store or search for HP Smart Application. Step 6. Tap on Get to install the app. Step 7. After installation, tap on Open to launch the application. Step 8. On the welcome page, tap on Accept All. Note you have to allow permissions if prompted by the app. Step 9. On the next page, click on Set up a new printer. Step 10. On the next screen, tap on Get Started. Step 11. Select your printer series. Step 12. You will receive a pop-up window stating connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Now you need to enter your Wi-Fi password and tap on continue. Step 13. When prompted, press the information button on your printer. Step 14. Once your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, tap on continue. Step 15, and this is the final step. On the connected printing services page, select accept all and follow the next on-screen prompts. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comment section.